want to blow up a pineapple.
I got you. Yeah, I will defend my brothers. I will defend the weak. I will pursue and fight evil so others may sleep. I am the sheepdog, protecting the night. Wolf hunters unite. Bring it on. It's time to fight.
Well, I guess depending on how this goes, this could be a regular segment. Blowing stuff up.
Who wants to see a pineapple explode?
Did you take that as a yes?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. He's gonna explain what's going on since all I care about is blowing stuff up. I don't know what's happening, but.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna load blasting cap, which is this, into this pineapple. The blasting cap's got just over a gram of high explosives in it. This little yellow tube is called shock tube. It's filled to RDX. This is gonna be initiated by that off a spark. This will run down, hit the cap, and the cap will blow up the pineapple. If it does it right, there will be no pineapple left, but a really cool version of fruit salad. We're gonna also boost it a little. We're gonna put, this is called data sheet. It's 1.5 grams of explosive sheet. I'm gonna wrap that around the cap just to make sure the pineapple completely goes.
Giddy up.
All right, you guys wanna head up that way? I'll tie in and then I'll meet you up there with everything. Clear. Second.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Hold that in. Just that side button.
Just this one?
Yep, hold it in.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Throw the pineapple, not me though. I just want to hold it
Just
down.
push it down. I'll tell you to let go. 3, 2, 1, let go.
Well, that happened fast. Well,
There's your top.
that did the job.
Yep. You see, this is the side your cap was in, so you can actually see how it pushes it out, and how your pattern is back this side versus this side for where the force was sucked up through the pineapple. It gives you a good example of less than 3 grams of explosive does that to a pineapple. That's really important when we talk about explosive safety. Very tiny explosives can be some of the most dangerous stuff because it's got the most energy it's packing.
Gophers are happy for lunch now, maybe. All right, guys, I'm back home. I actually wish I would have known that I was going to be blowing up a pineapple today, and I could have tried to set up some cameras to get up a little bit closer, but we had to stay back with a safe distance, and all I had was my phone. So it is what it is, but I do appreciate the Dearborn Police Department Bomb Squad coming out today to Law Enforcement Appreciation Day that we had locally here, and I was excited to blow up a pineapple. Didn't wake up thinking that was going to happen. So, all right, hope you guys enjoyed. Got any other questions about bomb stuff? I guess throw them in the comments, and I'll try to find the answers since you just saw as much as I know about explosives.